Hello and welcome to Top Tech News today. Here is your daily dose of latest tech news from around the world. Before we start, please consider subscribing to our channel and press bell icon to get updates about our latest videos and daily tech news. Thanks for your time, and these are the top tech news. Today, xAI unveils Grok Studio, a canvas-like tool for its Grok chatbot that can generate and edit documents, run code like Python and JavaScript, and more. São Paulo-based Onfly, which offers a corporate travel and expense management service, raised a $40 million Series B, led by Tidemark, to expand further into LATAM. OKX relaunches in the US and unveils a new crypto wallet for users, 2 months after a $500 million DOJ settlement over insufficient anti-money laundering processes. Chip industry executives told U.S. officials and lawmakers that Trump's new tariffs could cost U.S. semiconductor equipment makers more than $1 billion per year. OpenAI is adding an image library to ChatGPT to make it easier for users to access their AI-generated images, rolling out to all free, Plus, and Pro users. Google plans to redirect all search users to google.com over the coming months, saying, country-level domains are no longer necessary. NVIDIA says it will record a $5.5 billion quarterly charge after new U.S. rules to require a license to export the H20 chips to China. Kavak, a Mexico City-based online used car dealer and LATAM's most valuable startup, cut its valuation $6.5 billion to $2.2 billion in a $127 million equity round in March 2025. Anthropic could launch a voice mode feature for Claude as soon as this month, which will initially roll out on a limited basis. Google rolls out its text-to-video AI model Veo 2 to Gemini Advanced subscribers and makes its Whisk Animate tool available for Google One AI Premium users. OpenAI is in the early stages of building its own X-like social network, focused on ChatGPT image generation, and is asking some outsiders for feedback. Notion releases Notion Mail, a lightweight Gmail client to help users schedule meetings and organize and draft emails, available as a free macOS and web app. AI safety and security startup Virtue AI raised $30 million in seed and Series A funding and says its customers include several frontier labs, Uber, and Glean. NVIDIA unveils its RTX 5060 family, including the RTX 5060 Ti with 4,608 CUDA cores for $379 with 8 GB of VRAM or $429 for 16 GB of VRAM, launching on April 16th. U.S. satellite startup Astranis and Taiwanese telco Chunghwa plan to launch a dedicated micro-GEO satellite by the end of 2025, with full bandwidth as soon as 2026. Chinese state media, police in Harbin, accused the NSA of launching advanced cyber attacks during the Asian Winter Games in February 2025 and name 3 agents. Japan's FTC orders Google to stop alleged abuse of its market power over local smartphone manufacturers, ahead of high-stakes U.S. trade negotiations this week. At the request of a South Korean regulator, Apple blocked 14 crypto apps and Google blocked 17, including exchanges KuCoin and MeXC from their app stores. India plans to add 200 million to 300 million UPI users, including via delegated kids accounts and Pitch UPI abroad. As per PwC, India makes up approximately 46% of global digital transactions. That was all for today. Thanks for watching, and we shall be back tomorrow.